Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see liked post on LinkedIn app. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening it. So after opening up the LinkedIn application on your mobile phone, that LinkedIn application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply tap on the top left corner of your profile icon by tapping on your profile. So after that, you have to just simply tap on view profile to open up your profile. So after that, you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to see the option which is activity section. So here you guys can see here is the activity section. So in order to check out who liked your post, you have to simply open up that specific post. So here is the post which is already opened here. You have to just simply hit the like and hit the name of that specific person which is displaying above the like button. So just simply tapping on that name. So after tapping on that post will be opened here. So you have to simply again tap on that specific names which is above to like button. So after tapping on that, here you will be able to see the list of all of those person which you have liked your posts. And here is the way to see who liked your post on a LinkedIn. So I hope this method went you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.